Buy my timeshare. Many people come to us and ask the same question. Do you really buy timeshare for cash? And our answer is same to all of them. Yes, we buy timeshare for cash. On hearing this, their lips curve to show us a smile that we love to see on our customers' faces. The next thing they ask is, will you buy my timeshare? And we will say that we are here for your service at all times. If you want to sell your timeshare, then we are here to buy your timeshare and pay you the reasonable cash for your timeshare. But we suggest all our potential customers to be quick in taking decision because with a slight delay you may miss a very good opportunity. Just hurry and reach us to get the best offer price for your timeshare. Remember, you may always call us or mail us to know all about the timeshare resale business. Brought to you by www.webuytimeshares.org.